Good morning, welcome at forextrading.com. Today we have 18th July. Right now we are looking at 4-hour charts. Let's take a look at S&P 500 contracts. As far as I mentioned a few days ago, we are in this moment when the indices are consolidating for a few moments. Before that, index S&P 500 hit the maximum, and after reaching some tops it went to the downside again. So right now, looking at daily chart, we are basically in this trend slowdown, like bigger consolidation right here. And in meantime, we have some uptrends and downtrends in this bigger consolidation. So sometimes you can use it at 4-hour charts. Okay, so that's why we are looking at this triangle here. I'm more interested if the triangle goes really down suddenly, rapidly, and don't turn back to the upside too much and turn down again. Of course, from this pattern we can go up as well, which would be very naturally, but I wouldn't be interested in this kind of behavior. I would rather look for some sellers coming in the market. It would be more comfortable for me as a trader. Looking at pound dollar 4-hour charts, we see here the pound is in a growing trend. Right now it's dropping down, but this flag doesn't really show us that there are a lot of sellers. I mean, this currency pair just won't drop down suddenly. It's like keeping its levels and waiting for some moments when the euro dollar start to grow again. So euro dollar is drawing down this currency pair of the pound. So we have to know that even though the pound is dropping, it's waiting for its momentum to go up rapidly. That's what I'm saying, and usually it's like that. So right now we are looking mostly at 4-hour euro dollar chart, and we see here some dropping down wave, but there are no significant sellers, at least looking from 4-hour chart perspective. So we got more strong buyers coming at the market, and we got some sellers, and we see if the sellers will hit again hard to break down those support resistance, or the sellers will be up to finish. Maybe this moment is right now, right here, and the buyers will come back to the market. So right now I would say it's all depending on euro dollar currency pair, and seems to me like it can go either way. I mean, it can be dropping down suddenly, and it also can turn up and fast forward again, reaching those support resistance from the last time and breaking it down, breaking out for some new levels. Let's take a look at 30-minute chart perspective. Right now we are looking at the flag that came in like a couple of days ago, and so this flag at the beginning looked like it's just a small correction of this wave, and it will be turning up again, but it wasn't. So as far as I can see, the longer wave becomes a bigger flag, the more probability of dropping down to the reverse levels, reverse trend we have, and that's what happened here. Conclusion is, if the flag is too long, it might be dropping down like it happened here. So right now the situation isn't very much clear, because the price levels are coming by to the support resistance level, and we see what's going to happen next from this level. If it's going to go down like to this beautiful 4-hour chart shadow level, or it will reverse and pushed by the buyers, strong buyers will move higher and higher again. And the pound, of course, is waiting for this moment to happen. You see it's not dropping down at all. If you come by to the market right now, enter the position short, it would be big mistake, because as far as I can see, whenever the euro dollar reaches its sold out levels and come back to the growing trend, the pound will start to move strongly to the higher levels as well. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I hope to see you at some online Forex courses. Thank you.